The table saw is the heart of woodworking, and the fence is its brain. Without this brain, even the most expensive table saw is just a costly upside-down circular saw. Woodworking needs precision, and precision starts with your table saw, but is your fence up to the task? Imagine buying a Model 3 years ago, a simple SIADM update. Now it can auto-drive from your garage to your office parking lot. The same thing. Update the fence will update your table saw's operating system, transforming your table saw into the ultimate woodworking assistant. SME brings 3 game-changing products to elevate your table saw from a tool to a precision woodworking partner. Accu-Mate, take your fence positioning accuracy from 1/32 inch to an astounding 1/320th inch, making precision effortless. Auto Clamp, say goodbye to rear fence deflection and hello to safety, efficiency, and truly accurate cuts. Auto Easy Fence, ditch manual moving and taping. For less than 20 cents a day, enjoy automatic positioning, dual locking design, and ultra-precise plus/minus 0.003 inch accuracy. Update your table saw today for a safer, faster, and more precise woodworking experience. Make every cut perfect. Start enjoying woodworking like never before.